is in here? Folks, I am at Meow Wolf in Santa Fe. I've been wanting to bring you here. This is an interactive art exhibit, and if you haven't heard of Meow Wolf, this is the very first one. They have one in Denver, they have Omega Mart in Las Vegas, and I think they have one now starting in the Dallas area, I think I heard. So I'm gonna take you on a tour. You can see what to expect here. This is a great place for families. And let me tell you, the family that I brought with me today is Santos Chronicles. Carl, Melissa, Rosalie, and his family, they do family travel vlogs and they go to weird and wacky places, and this place fits the bill. So I wanted to make sure they got to check out Meow Wolf with me today. So come along and check out Meow Wolf. Meow Wolf is the #1 family attraction here in Santa Fe. It is very popular, so if you're visiting on a weekend or during a holiday period, you will want to reserve an entry time in advance. Here's another little fun fact. The author of House of Thrones was a major investor in the startup here at Meow Wolf. So when you come in and buy your admission ticket, you can pay a little extra for some 3D glasses and some tokens. Carl here went all out. Let's see, the coins.
Yeah, some tokens.
Let's see, the tokens. Now I'm gonna bring the mic a little closer. Now what did they say about those?
I think they said it was an arcade, but this is certain sections of it. We can use the 3D glasses, but I just got it, and let's see where we can use it.
We'll see what happens.
Sticker.
Okay.
All right, let's go check it out. Oh, you gotta say it.
Let's go.
There you go, okay. Now here is the house. All right, so we're going inside the home. You are free to explore at your leisure. What I will tell you is that there is a story in here, and I challenge you, if you visit, to find the story and try to understand the story. Look at every detail in the home, and it ties it all together.
Fiona, sweetie, you got...
He found it. He found it. Where does this go?
Rosalie?
They went straight to the Wonderland. Oh. This is some kind of crazy.
Oh, look at the tree. So we can at least use the tokens.
Okay, they found the arcade in here, which I believe is for using the tokens. I was not familiar with the tokens. Boy, these are some wacky video games. But there are multi-levels in here that you can explore. This is Alice in Wonderland on steroids. That plays music. I did not know that either. See, you never know what you're gonna find here. Carl is finding things here that I never knew existed.
All right, my name is Carl, and my family is here. Our channel's name is Santos Chronicles. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. If you love any of that, make sure to check out our channel. This is not as easy as I was hoping.
Tall people, be aware.
Yes.
You're gonna have to duck from here. This one, it pays to be nice and short. Oh, but my backpack is getting stuck. There we go.
That's why I didn't bring my backpack today. Okay, oh, downstairs.
That way.
That's this way. Let's see what this is.
Can you go through there? Oh yeah, you can.
Oh, you can go through here?
Wait, Rosalie.
Oh my Lord. Whoa, look at this cool room. Oh my Lord.
Okay.
Oh my Lord. I don't remember this. Are you old enough to remember the ride at the state fair
The
We had one here, and it would
Gravitron!
spin, and you'd be on those things, and you'd go up. Is that what it was called?
Yeah, it's called the Gravitron. You
That
could go
reminds me of
here,
this.
then you can try to spin around while it's spinning.
Yes. This reminds me of that. And I don't remember this from last time I came. So I don't know if these are things that I didn't know existed or what, but there's something new to discover every time you come.
We're just pressing all the buttons and
That
going
is
through
making
all
it
the
work.
stuff.
That's right.
This is fun. Rosie, we got...
All right, the master of the secret corridors. This is a tight one. So where we just came through was from the closet. You just never know. So apparently you're supposed to just open everything. The bookcase looks suspicious. It's always behind the bookcase, isn't it?
Always good.
Watch your head, it says. What is back here? Oh my gosh, it takes us back here.
Hey, this looks familiar.
I know. Okay, all right. There's a loop.
Deja vu here.
Deja vu. So you found some of the story is being told through the house, and all the pictures tell a story. So
Let's go.
If you look at the pictures with
Don't
the glasses
read this.
on,
if you think you drank too much and you're trying to make your way to the toilet, you're going to be thrown for a loop here with this wavy floor.
Stealing your shot.
Now, because I'm touring through here with Carl and he's so super adventurous, he went through a secret passage first thing when he got in the house. So typically you start in the house, and downstairs there are some things to see that kind of tell the story. And what I want to tell Carl is to pay attention to all the photographs and the books and all the things in the house that start to tell a story. Let's see.
All right.
There is a number of bedrooms you can go through here. Now there are just people everywhere.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, an eye-to-eye
my
book
gosh.
she discovered. All about eyes.
They pop out.
Oh, bunk beds are
Familiar, Rosie?
the best.
Oh yeah, that's,
We were right there earlier.
I'm gonna go to sleep, y'all.
Good night, Rosalie.
What do you think, Carl?
I'm ready to go to another secret door, according to Rosalie. All
All right.
right, ready, guys?
Command receiver. Bionic
This is
spot.
your place.
This was the design to the hamster.
Ooh, this is cool.
Hamster robot.
I don't think it's been here yet.
That's a cool portal.
I don't remember this one either. I'd say I missed this last time I was here. Wow. I think we landed in the Ice Age. What is over here?
We were at the second floor, but now it looks like we're under
These worms remind me of the Beetlejuice worm
That's
at the end of the movie.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Showing my age. All right, we're headed back.
If anyone sees a code, tell me because it's a safe.
Oh, you want to find the code to the safe? That'd be good. Can even look out the windows, see what's going on outside, see what kind of crazy things we have here.
Oh, is there any code?
Now, I think here he's talking a little bit about the story a little bit on these televisions. And even in, what is this? His will. He has his written will here.
We can go to the other portals.
If you're really interested in learning about the mystery here of the House of Eternal Return, spend some time here in the living room. I see people reading books. I see people watching what's on TV, looking at the newspaper articles, book covers, lots of hints. Gone forever, down the fireplace.
I wish I could have filmed it then.
I found you. Oh, this is how you get down here to the wild and crazy ice cave. Oh, the ribs, you can walk through the rib cage. Oh, the rib cage is music. This is our resident musician. She's found all the music devices here. Are we underground? Are we in a cave? Is this the Ice Age? I don't know. Oh my. Check this out. What do you think? Oh, I thought you could go inside, but I just ran into the glass. Fascinating.
Found another one.
You did?
No, look.
Oh, flashing lights used in here. Whoa. Oh, wow. Now I don't remember this either.
What did I do? I think
Dance party.
Carl setting up the dance party.
You gotta use your glasses in here.
Okay.
Oh, there's a big ear.
Oh my gosh.
What is happening?
What?
Where are we?
Oh man, this area is cool. Look at the ear on the door here.
it's an upstairs.
Whoa.
I
Oh my god. I don't remember seeing that. That is awesome.
Like every angle is different.
Wow. All right, let's head up these amazing steps. I love the art in this area. There he is. All right. Man, it's hot in here. Wow. See, I think it's this area where they have a stage and they do
there's a stage.
performances. Yeah, like so certain music
wait.
artists come here. All right, this seems to be like a memorial of some sort. You left on a double rainbow, left all the girls crying. Your spirit helped birth this cool thing, which has become a machine. Some of us exist to keep it running. So, you know, read all the little notes. Have a lovely trip into the afterlife, Matt. Some sort of a flying couch with a bike or something all together. Now it's very easy to lose your friends in this place. So let's see if we can find Carl and his family. There he is. I was gonna say I lost him. There he is. What did you find back here? All the pipes? The electrical room? Are these like, oh, is this music? Something was making sound. Oh, it's flushing the toilet!
I think this was what was making the music.
And it flushed the toilet. So you're allowed to, you know, hit the disconnect switch in the electrical room up here and see what happens. All right, let's see what's in here.
Trippiest ice machine ever.
Whoa.
Oh, look, there's
Falling.
no. Now
That's cool. You can use this with one of your tokens. What on earth is in here? Oh my lord. A little bit Star Wars, a little bit creepy. Oh my gosh, there's a giant face. What do you think of this crazy place?
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Like, you can just go around, go on your knees, press on different buttons, secret rooms. You're looking for hamsters. There's UFOs, mammoths. You can, my brain really hurts. And Rosalie and the family, we're really enjoying this. So thank you very much for taking us here.
And it only gets weirder as we continue to go. We're back in the crazy forest. See, we came back here, but like I didn't see this last time.
That's what Rosie was saying. She was like, come on over here. Is there more things for tokens? So we got like a couple more tokens.
Whoa. Looks like we're entering a garden. Oh, a trippy garden. All right, I'm following. What's in here? Darkness. Oh, here we go. Whoa.
Meditation room. Like to take a nap in here.
I don't remember this.
It's almost dizzying.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! It's a heart.
Oh! There it is. You found the harp. What is that? That looks like some innards. Yeah. All the old cereal boxes.
Whoa, guys!
Okay.
What happened?
It's an entrance.
Oh gosh.
Rosie, what did you find?
All right, I'm gonna go in through with the group.
Oh, well, back to where we started.
Going into the land of the refrigerator.
Oh, yes.
How did we miss this?
Back here, okay.
No, we already been here.
I know, we've been everywhere.
Where is comfortable?
The portal to Bermuda, touch to begin.
New heights.
Oh, sorry. It's maintenance.
Embark.
Try again. Choose again.
Don't be too loud, somebody's working. Whoa. He's like lost. Put the numbers in.
Do you want to play a game? Yes. Do you want to play a game?
Oh, I'm gonna work.
What?
Come here.
It's like a ride or a shed.
He was working on something. There are papers everywhere.
Oh my gosh, I forgot I was holding that.
Okay, I guess this is the outside of the house.
Get in the house.
Oh, I see that somehow the trees are behind that wall. That's what it was. There's a garden back here. A secret garden. Here we go. This is what I remember.
Rosalie, you're really nice to yourself.
Okay, a couple things. On the exterior of the house, there is a garden, and it's easy to miss. So look for the fence and come back behind the fence to see the neon trees you'll see. And be careful because there's a mirror and it's easy to run into. Now this is definitely the place, if you bring yourself the 3D glasses, you're going to want to use them in this room. All right, and at the end, they've got a nice snack bar here. They have a really fun gift shop. You can also get drinks and bring it in as well. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Carl, thanks for coming out and stopping in Santa Fe to check out Meow Wolf with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the #1 place you guys got to check out with your family in Santa Fe.
It was so fun. Like, you totally got to do it. And get the tokens. It's a little surprises in there for you.
Yeah, lots of surprises. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next one.